Mama akwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ni pe ya okase o kire se ofri Yendi. Wale ne ho northern region. Na kire se okasa radio so no utumi se wo su. Me ma title no be kasa adwoa title we ye fake because nipa no wansu. Obi kasa na utumi so onyesu obesu ya uhu. Kire se asem na ahye no. Ne ya saponyan se ne ya saponi sa denti na Ghana for ye ungrateful sa. Aha, akwan free education, STEM schools, TVET. Chese nyema his excellence and Adonko Kufa aba ya Ghana for si wo hu hwe. E na nanu ya 8 years ago ya le twemi o mampenda da mahama ba ya Ghana so yi. Aye da light ni for 4 good years ya. Ye hu ye left from your right. Sisi ya ka akofo mampenda da mahama aba. Nti se ne papa na nado aba ye na yinsingu. Papa chese adai. Ti so no ko akesu ya wosu. O kire se northern region akwan his excellence aba ya nya akwan ketwa. Ti Ghana for den ye pe development ana say ye pe dynamic didi. Papa ya kanadwen. Yenti somebody etujwa.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho Yendi.
Bache ukase free Yendi.
Yendi. Mami nchewa pay.
Bache wo. Okay, since ya 4 years now. Papa Joma masu will be there. Obi wo kwa. Enti jeja wo di ade nu ani ya. Ye betimi akubisa ne devi. Ade ade ne debusa ne. Ono jeja bibia hia no. Obedi 4 years. Your person wo ni your beye Ghana bia o pibia o beye. Every one ma ho me pawo chobi. O me ye hwi e ma. Na ade ebiem bibia na na ni so se wo beye bibia amagana. Kama no wo pe 4 years kura ka hu no kura no. Wo ka kire se waze do pina manaka kase. Ejiji anu eji ade pan wo beye amagana. O no na gina wo ka kire se 4 years ni ndimi fa ni bibia. Se si oba first year no wontimi nya hwe. Second year afi na no wo beye yi. Eti 2 years na aka no. And what the Baba is Sagana and as obey them. Monshe a quan pan and now why you Yendi matter. Who but Srima, who a quan papa, Bab a Tamali. That's it. I didn't know Ghana for you bet Kayo, ye Bonia for the do, young Kaisem.
Hey, the job about true. The one who will be who is how. Hello, good candy puppy, as my mom. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho Yendi.
FM Prince.
Prince free hey. Sola. Prince mami nchewa no pay.
Oh my JDM chair no abeja funyina.
Yeah, so.
The problem is minim leaders na omo protocols omo dia kufuado IPP penifo no. I think you know omo ba unia ha haisa. Because omo tanyi no kasa ni toni nowadays no ba unia campaign you people. Inchi I would have to say enko pe advice na mano if you are outside there you don't ba unia say. Because they say no ba unia timi campaign say no so yet. Send ye na you know. Mo bit me mo Asante region say mo.
Dear Guaquem no, they are sustainable. Sana Bruni Becca. Aya eba ebeka ho nedim puntuo amagana nibia. Enya policies are eba ene ochina na etwemako. Na sa na mebra panyi di kan ya the policies ni bi Guaquema the sabotage ne amambofo sema ye the time won't know we don't get the ultimate results of these policies enti eya na emano eye den say we will see the actual results of these policies that has been enrolled because ye hwe bibi to say free SHSR it has come
it is
educate. Oh yes me nuanu mo amukọ high school you know amukọ school free na mama nka asemi education is a right. Oko yekroma okache will say education is your right. Meko University ya will be scholarship sika ya dema obia a child say right to study meaning say oh wa kwanya say usua de saa enhyehyɛ pa we bi ana ye his excellency Nana Akufo-Addo any vice president edi gu akwam say yebenya na afi yaboaye free HHS policy by for the free maternal health care by we have the national health insurance scheme. These were sustainable policies that has been enrolled. Another biami busa say ye 32 years in republic any your fourth republic ya any si for chair one single policy or mode ba ya eboa Ghana ni bia ema ni nya so mfa so. We saw Metro Mass. Everyone had a benefit of it. There was health insurance. So where nyakra you have an indirect benefit because what fasi bi nya so infaswo unie bi nya so infaswo. They should tell us what policy and omodia ba Ghana maimu a say under yeno we brought this policy. They should tell us ebi ni wasa ye koyenim Dr. Baumia asamodi to around 7th February this year no we saw the outline policies and one that touched my heart was how he is going to reduce the cost of living here in Ghana. On a global scale, cost of living cost more than 5 times. Now yeah, about 1.66%, and now we are seeing about 8 point something just on the global level. And we show say on the global economic scale, no, we are seeing more higher than Ghana. Yendi Pluto, we are on Earth, so obviously we are part of it. And you know the message say, edidida a chain edipreko enti say ne and ye rule policies ya ye nya ne better busama ma UK ask them obi otu kwanche yes starting policies in Europe no it wasn't easy abochena obi adwane kono there was a time it was like this there was a struggle between the left and the right didimu na efa amre no bibia enroll kama systems no in place. It's a message Ghana for an annual pay. Obi a would say ye say Fabibia to the apathy level, no meaning say so. A month for Dimo Yao. We share their sentiment. Me metina and Katamani say Bibia 100.